Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on automatic heart rate monitoring on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Heytap Health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap Workout and Health. Under the Heart section, tap Heart Rate Monitoring. Then turn on the toggle to the right of Heart Rate Monitoring. You can then choose whether you would like your watch to measure your heart rate every 6 minutes, every 2 minutes, or constantly. Note that if you choose real time, which means the watch will constantly measure your heart rate, your watch's battery will drain quicker. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.